All right, here we are at module number 3, where we will be installing our WordPress theme. Today, we will be showing you how to install the popular Divi theme from Elegant Themes. Now, you can certainly download and install any theme that you'd like. However, for the purpose of this course and for the purpose of design, which you will see in a later module, we definitely recommend Divi. Now, Divi is one of the most popular themes out there, and you'll see why when we start designing. So, for the purpose of this course, we will show you how to install that theme. So the first thing we're going to need to do is head over to elegantthemes.com and you will purchase the theme. Now, I've already purchased it, so I'm going to log into my account. And once you've done that, you will see in your account the Divi theme. So go ahead and click download the Divi theme. Then you can head back over to WordPress and hit themes, click add new, click upload, and then you will find the Divi theme that you just downloaded. Go ahead and hit install now, and then activate. Once that's completed, then you can head back over to Elegant Themes, and we're going to go and find our username and API key. So go ahead and click on API keys, and you will see your username and API key. Go ahead and click on those, and that will copy them. Head back over to WordPress, go to Divi Theme Options, click on the Updates tab, and paste in your API key. And then head back over and we're going to copy our username. And then you can go ahead and paste in your username. Hit Save Changes. And then you can click on my website title or whatever your title is, and you will see the Divi theme has now been installed.